Hello my people, you are welcome to my class. Today we get problem to solve on the board. The problem now, make we find G degree. Now solution. Now when we want to solve this problem, we will use the law. That law says the sum of angle meeting at a point is equal to 360 degree. Wetin they say, wetin they try to talk is say, if you add all these angles together, you go get 360 degree. So the sum of all these angles will be equal to 360 degree. So we go write say G degree plus 90 degree plus 30 degree plus 100 degree is equal to 360 degree. So now wetin the law say make we do. So we go add everything up. We want transfer the number that we get here to the other side. So we go say G degree plus 90 plus 30 now 120 plus 100, you get 220 degree equals to what? 360 degree. So we're going to carry this plus 220 degree to the other side. So to be G degree equals to 360 degree minus 220 degree. See, we don't solve the problem. So if you subtract this 360 minus 220 degree, you get 140 degree. Now this one may be our final answer. So this one can become our final answer. And this topic now, angle between a line, between the line. The topic again, I repeat, angle between a line. Remember the law. That law says that we need to add everything up. If we add everything up, we'll get a 360 degree. So if they give any question like this, apply the law. That law says the sum of all this angle is equals to 360 degree. I beg, if you enjoy my class, I beg share this my class. Tell your friend about my class. Say something they happen for this place.